Hi, I'm Ashiki Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome back to my channel where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. Today in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to prepare statement of changes in equity. So many of you have confusion when you prepare this account. But if you understand, this is quite easy, okay? So today I'm going to explain how to prepare this one. Then we'll solve a question from a Cambridge IGCSE accounting first paper. Okay, no time to waste. Let's get started. Okay, here look at the format. Already we have drawn the format here. So this is the details of the question. So here we have the first column, the share capital. Okay, so if we have the share capital in the question, we will write here in this column. Okay, then retained earnings. Here you have to include the profit for the year, retained earnings. If there is any transfer to general reserve, will be here included in this column. Okay, now here general reserve. So if you have any opening balance for general reserve, will be recorded here in this column, and if we have any more new general reserve, will be also included. So here we have totals. That means we have to add this all amounts two ways. First of all, we have to add horizontally, then we have to add here vertical. Okay, so when you add horizontally, we'll write the value here. Okay, this here in this rows. Okay, then we'll write here the totals of this column. Same way we'll get the total of this column, the share capital, retained earnings, and the general reserve. Okay, so when we add this all columns vertically, then we'll get the totals here. Okay, then these totals will be the closing balance. So here is written that on 31st December 2018. That means these are the amounts for closing balances. Okay, so what is the start of the business? It is 1st January 2018. Okay, so this is the accounting period, remember. Okay, now we will see what items are given on the question. Okay, the financial year of ML Limited ends on 31st December. The following information is available. Okay, at 1st January 2018, ordinary share capital is given $200,000, retained earnings $16,500, and general reserve $8,000. Okay, so on 1st January 2018, so this is our opening balance already, you know. So let us record the opening balance first of all. Okay, so here our share capital is 200,000. So let us write here $200,000. Retained earnings is $16,500. Okay, and we have here general reserve, which is $8,000. Okay, so these are the opening balances we recorded first of all. Okay, now let us have a look at the question once again. What is written there? Dividends paid during the year ended 31st December 2018. Okay, final dividend for the year ended 31st December 2017 is $8,000. Interim dividend for the year ended 31st December 2018 is $6,000. Okay, then what we have here, profit for the year ended 31st December 2018 is $28,000. Okay, so profit for the year we have here, we have to add this value with the retained earnings column. Okay, so profit for the year is given, it is $28,000. so let us write here $28,000. Okay, then we have here dividend paid, so final dividend. So final dividend is given on the question, it is 31st December 2017. Yeah, so the value is here $8,000. so this value will be subtracted from this retained earnings column. Okay, so let us write here final dividend, it is $8,000. So as we will subtract this value, let us put bracket here. Okay, then we have here interim dividend. Yes, it is also given on the question. If it is not given, we will not write this item here. Okay, so interim dividend is here $6,000, 31st December 2018 in the question. So this amount will be also subtracted. Okay, so let us subtract this amount in the retained earnings column. Okay, now let us have a look at the question. On 31st December 2018, it was decided to make a transfer to general reserve of $3,000. Okay, so $3,000 is transferred to the general reserve here. Okay, but from where this amount is transferred? This amount is transferred from the retained earnings column. Okay, from the retained earnings. So we will transfer here $3,000 from this profit for the year. So we will put a bracket because this amount will be deducted from this column. Okay, and this amount will be added with the existing general reserve, which is there $8,000. So let us write here general reserve $3,000. Okay, so very simple to understand. Okay, so we have nothing in the question. We adjusted, we wrote all the items here. Okay, now what to do? Now we have to calculate. We have to get the totals in both the ways, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so let us calculate. First of all, vertically, see what comes. First of all, share capital. If you add this column, here you see only one item, so it is $200,000. So let us write here $200,000. Okay. Then what to do here in the retained earnings columns? Here we have to add these two items first of all, and then we have to subtract these three amounts from this answer. Okay, from this addition of these two items. So what we get? If we calculate, we get here $27,500. Okay, so how we calculate it? Let us repeat. Here we add these two values first of all, and then from the answer we subtracted these all three amounts. Okay, then we got here $27,500. Great. Next we have here general reserve column. Here we have $8,000 here, and one more item here we have $3,000. So if we add these two amounts, it is $11,000. So let us write here. Very good. Okay, now we have found our closing balances on 31st December 2018. Here share capital $20,000, retained earnings $27,500, and general reserve is $11,000. Okay, this amount will go to the statement of financial position, means the balance sheet. Okay, now we will add horizontally. Okay, that means this way we have to add. Okay, so here we have 200,000, here 16,500, here 8,000. So if we add, we get $224,500. Okay, very good. Now profit for the year. Here we have only one item, so same amount will go there, $28,000. Okay, then here dividend paid, final dividend, it is $8,000, negative figure. Okay, so we have to subtract this amount here on the totals column, so it is bracket. Okay, then again we have here interim dividend, negative figure, $6,000. So we have to write here $6,000 bracket, means minus. Okay, very good. Next we have here transfer to general reserve. So we have here minus $3,000. Here we have plus $3,000. So plus minus here 0. Yeah. So nothing will be left. It is 0 here. Okay, very good. Now what to do? We have to total this column. Okay, so here same way like retained earnings column, we will add this and these two values, and from the answer we will subtract $8,000 and $6,000. Here we have nothing. So if we calculate, what we get here? Well, if we say it is $238,500, then you are correct. Okay, now see, if we add these three amounts here horizontally, $200,000, $27,500, and $11,000. So we get same amount, $238,500. Yeah, it is very simple. So this is how you can understand that your account is correct. Okay, so this is statement of changes in equity. So you'll find some more questions, more tutorials on this topic on my channel. I'm going to put the link in the description box of the playlist so you can watch it. Okay, so next time I'll show you some different questions so you can practice more for your exam or test. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. I hope you understood and you enjoyed this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, you can share with your friends, and please comment below, let me know what you want to see in my next video. And please consider subscribing to my channel, because there are other so many accounting tutorials. Those will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting. Okay, so that is all. I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.